So now today I discuss, hi friends, today now I discuss right circular cylinder, and we develop the formula of surface area of right circular cylinder and and volume of the right circular cylinder. So if we take a number of circular sheet of paper, this is a one sheet of paper, one circular sheet of paper. If we take a number of circular sheets of paper and stack them up as we stacked up rectangular sheets earlier. Here, if the stack is kept vertically, we get what is called a right circular cylinder. Right circular cylinder. If I stack up them to a vertical height on a circular sheets, then I take or I develop right circular cylinder. So now I discuss about area of surface area of a cylinder. So first we discuss curved surface area of cylinder. Curved surface area of a cylinder. Curved surface area of a cylinder. So basically curved surface area of cylinder is only curved area, this area. This is a curved area and this is the curved area. So only with curved surface area of a cylinder. And if I talk about curved surface cylinder, then easily we take or see if this is a rectangular sheet, if this is just rectangular sheet, this is h height and l length, and I wrap up of them this like I fold of this type, then this take h height h. So curved surface area of cylinder is basically area of this rectangular sheet. Area of the rectangular sheet. Rectangular sheet. So this is basic perimeter of base of cylinder, and this is equal to, I hope, one more thing, sorry for this. So this is area of rectangular sheet, length into breadth, length into breadth. Length is basically perimeter of base of cylinder. Perimeter of base of cylinder into height. Perimeter of base of cylinder is basically this. Perimeter of base of cylinder. So basically this is 2 pi r into h. Perimeter of base of cylinder, if this diagram is developing, this is a base and this is a base. So perimeter of base of cylinder, this is a circle and this parameter is 2 pi r. So the curved surface area of cylinder, curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. Now I discuss total surface area of cylinder. Total surface area of cylinder age. Now the curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi rh. So curved surface area which represents CSA plus 2 base area. This is the first base and this is the second base. And each base area is a circle, and circle of area is pi r square. So if I say CSA is 2 pi r h plus pi r square, so 2 pi r square, 2 base. So this expression looks like as 2 pi r plus h. This is the total surface area of cylinder. So I hope you understand what is curved surface area of cylinder and what is total surface area of cylinder. So in next page, continue. Now we discuss volume of right circular cone. Volume of right circular cylinder. Right circular cylinder. This is the cylinder. This is the height h. This is radius r. So volume of cylinder is basically this base area into height. Base area into height, and base area of a circle is pi r square and height. So the volume of cylinder is pi r square into h. So V is equal to pi r square h. So volume is pi r square h. Curved surface area is 2 pi r h. And total surface area of 2 pi r in bracket r plus h. So you learn these three formula of right circular cylinder. Now take one example on right circular cylinder in next page. So now I take this example on cylinder, surface area of cylinder and volume. The example is this: at a Ramjan Mela, a stall keeper in one of the food stalls has a large cylindrical vessel of base radius 15 centimeter. Filled up to a height of 32 centimeter with orange juice. So this is the juice vessel quantity. The juice is filled in small cylindrical glass of radius 3 centimeter up to a height of 8 centimeter. So this is the parameter of glass. R is 3 centimeter and height is 8 centimeter. This is the glass parameter, and sold for 3 each. So 3 rupee per glass. How many money does the stall keeper receive by selling the juice completely? So the first thing of how liter juice is contained in this vessel. So first we find volume of juice in vessel. Volume of juice in vessel equal to pi capital R square H, which is equal to pi into 15 into 15 into 32 centimeter cube. Now the glass volume, glass volume or juice contained in glass, which is also equal to pi r square h, which is equal to pi into 3 into 3 into 8 centimeters. Now I find number of glasses. Now I find number of glass which is sold in number of glass juice that are sold. So basically volume of vessel upon volume of each glass. This is equal to pi into 15 into 15 into 32 upon pi into 3 into 3 into 8, which is equal to 100 glass. So the juice keeper sold total 100 number of glass. So the amount received by stall keeper H equal to 3 rupee per each glass. So for 100 H, 3 into 100, which is equal to 300 rupee. So I hope you understand this example and how to solve the example of right circular cylinder, which is based on volume and surface area. So please download this Scholar Learning app, and if you already downloaded this, then enjoy learning and thanks to watching this video.